Sleepy na, baby.
Close. Ipakita mo na yung close.
Close open.
Close open. Ay, kanan.
Open. Show, tita. Adali.
Sure, tita.
Close open. Close open.
Ulit. Close open. Close open. Dali. Close open.
Wow! Very good.
Close open. Close open. Close open. Close open. Fast forward pa. Close open.
Very good. Meron ka nang alam na bago, ah.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye, tita.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Tita. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, tita.
Wala.
Come on.
Wala daw kasi nga alis eh.
Bye-bye. Pero nag-close up siya. Bye-bye, tita. Oh, bye-bye daw, tita. Bye-bye. Bye-bye po, sorry. Bye-bye,
Guluhan sa
tita.
close open. Saka bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Liam! Yay! Parang blue. Ba't blue? Yeah! Bebe. We're back from Tita's house. Lola pala. Lola's house. Dilim?
Ano ba tayo?
One. Dilim yung baby.
Baby, kiss daddy. Kiss daddy. Baby, kiss daddy. Kiss daddy.
So I'm back in the house from the breakfast at the All-In Palace Hotel. But for some reasons, I forgot to vlog. I don't know, it's just happened when I'm outside the house and just when it's the right time to video or to film whatever is happening. I always feel lazy or I just happen to forget. I don't know. But since we woke up early for the breakfast treat from my aunt, I want to go back to sleep. It's around 2 o'clock in the afternoon. You can see right there. And tomorrow is back to work, but it's only one day. And since it's Eid al-Adha, as they call it, it will be holiday from Monday to Thursday, and then weekend Friday and Saturday. So it's 6 days off. Imagine. And there's no plan yet for some reason. I don't know why. The original plan was to go to Georgia with my aunt and her friends, but I opted not to because Liam, my nephew, just came from the Philippines, and so I wanted to spend more time with him, be with the baby. So I think we'll probably be at the park every day to play with Liam. Hi guys! We're going to the church with this little man. Hi!
What's up, young boy?
Look at him.
What's up, young boy? Where you going?
His clothes are all baggy. Big shoes, big pants, big shirt. But
And big
handsome
face.
Handsome face. Oh, you want to get a camera? No.
Let's go.
He's not in the mood yet.
Let's go.
He just woke up from
Let's
nap.
go. Wow. Let's go na nga siya.
Tita Lynn!
Say hi to the camera.
Hi, Tita Lynn!
Bye-bye.
Who's Cathy?
Who's Cathy? Mother? Mama's name, Cathy?
Let us now pray in the word of Jesus. Our Father, God in heaven,
What's her name?
hallowed be thy name.
What's your
Hi,
name?
say hi.
Thy will be done.
Dance, video, there's
Dance,
video.
dance,
Look at
dance.
the video. Dance, dance, dance.
Dance, dali!
Dance, dance, dance. Dance, dance, dance.
Dance,
Hey,
baby!
dance, dance, dance.
La, la,
Dance,
la,
dance,
la,
dance.
la.
Someone's not in the mood today.
Dance, dance, dance.
Someone's not in the mood?
Liam Potpot.
may lick din sinasabi, di ba?
We're on Salam Street from the church. Going home.
Hello. Say hi.
Ako magbubuhat sa'yo, ako magbibigay kay tita sa akin.
My name.